Gondor Squid Cutting Machine. Cutting depth can be adjusted. Blade is easy to disassemble. Food-grade material, safety and hygiene, stable conveying, no material damage, detachable design for flushing material off the blades. Quick cutting one-time forming. Stainless steel 304 mm material, can be washed directly. Put the material on the conveyor belt. The cut flower effect is incomparable by hand, high work efficiency. Can be operated by one worker. Cut flowers are even and beautiful. Suitable for a variety of ingredients. Multiple cutting pattern options. Multiple cutting width options. Wide range of applications. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping